Jeremy, this Mini came in for an oil service today. Could you let me know what you found on the car?
Yeah, I'm going to show you one of the most common failures on pretty much any Mini from 2014 onwards. These are pretty decently reliable cars. I like them, but around 50,000 miles without fail, this engine mount will go out. You can see you've got a bracket coming off from the engine, and it sticks into this square-shaped hole here. I've actually just replaced one of these mounts on another car recently. Looked about like this. Sits in the car like that, and you can see the part from the engine is encased in rubber, and this rubber holds it up separate from the rest of the car. But over time that will collapse down, and eventually you get to where this tab hits this bumper and they can even start contacting together. So you'll be sitting at a stoplight and drive, although it can happen in pretty much any gear, and the whole cabin will be shaking because the vibrations from the engine are transferring to the rest of the car. And usually when you replace this mount, it gets a lot better. It's a bit of a job to replace. You have to take the headlight out, the fender liner, and twist it out of there, but it's worth it because the cars drive so much smoother. So if your Mini's around 50,000 miles, have it checked.
Awesome. Thanks, Jeremy.
Certainly.